Hi there traders and investors. I'm happy to share a regular market review prepared for avx.co portal. Let's get started. Today is December 29 and we're starting from the euro-dollar pair. Analysis and trading tips made by Jakub Novak. First, let's have a look on yesterday's entry points. The first test of 1.0634 occurred at that time when the MACD line was quite far from zero, so the downside potential was limited. Sometime later, a second test took place, but this time the market signal was to buy, as MACD line was on zero, which resulted in a price increase of around 20 pips. The 1.0665 was tested in the afternoon. The euro-dollar pair rose slightly on Wednesday after the US reported very weak data on pending home sales. However, the situation leveled off quickly as ahead are reports on the euro area's M3 money supply and private sector lending, which are likely to put a lot of pressure on euro. Then this afternoon the US will release its weekly data on jobless claims. For long positions, you can buy euro when the quote reach 1.0634 and take profit at the price of 1.0668. Although there is a chance for growth today, it's unlikely to last long. Also, buy only when the MACD line is above zero or is starting to rise from it. Euro can also be bought at 1.0606. However, the MACD line should be in an oversold area, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.0634 and 1.0668. For short positions, you could sell euro when the quote reached 1.0606 and take profit at the price of 1.0573. Pressure will return if reports from the euro area turn out to be weaker than expected. Failed consolidation above 1.0606 will also lead to a decline. But take notice that then when selling, the MACD line should be below zero, or is starting to move down from it. Euro can also be sold at 1.0634. However, the MACD line should be in an overbought area, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.0606 and 1.0573. We've got a red-hot potential for bearish drop for GBP USD pair, Dean Lao tells. Looking at the 4-hour chart, overall bias for GBP USD is bearish due to the current price being below the Ishimoku cloud, indicating a bearish market. If this bearish momentum continues, expect price to possibly continue heading towards the first support at 1.1900, where the 23% Fibonacci line is. In an alternate scenario, price could possibly head back up to retest the first resistance at 1.2277, where the previous swing high is. Area of macro analysis of intraday price movements of Nasdaq 100 index. Let's have a look. With the appearance of the deviation between Nasdaq 100 index price movements with the indicator, as well as the price movement which is below the 100 moving average, and the appearance of the bearish 1, to 3 pattern, which is followed by a break of Ross hook. It's certain that the NDX condition is in a bearish situation, which in the near future seems to be experiencing a slight upward correction to test the vacuum block area level, the range 10,993.7, 11,028.6, which happens to be also within the bearish fair value gap level area if the levels in the area function as resistance quite well, and as long as the upward correction does not exceed above the 11,233.6 level, then NDX will continue its decline back to the 10,616. This level as the first target and the level 10,433.8 as the second target. That's all for today. See you online soon.